Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at break of structure and change of character Forex trading. So the general idea here is when the market is moving sideways, we will draw out our resistance and support lines. And if the candlestick crosses that resistance line, we would consider that a break of structure. And if we see a reversal, so it goes down and it breaks one of our lower lows, we would consider that a change of character and we would ride that trend down. So today we're going to dive in and see whether or not this strategy works. I'll be doing 5 trades and let's get into it. All right, guys. So as you can see today, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. My portfolio is at 10,000. And I selected the dates of 1st of February 2023 to the 1st of February 2024. I'm not sure we'll play out the entire year, but I like to select random dates, of course. I mean, while we're testing these strategies, they cannot work at very specific times of the year, right? It's purely technical trading. So, all right, today I'll be doing the break of structure as well as the change of character. And I'm not too sure if I've researched this well enough, but up here is it's kind of like your support and resistance level, right? Your support and resistance. The only difference is to keep track of that higher high and that lower low to see whether or not it breaks that old barrier. And if it does, that would indicate that there might be a change in the market, like a new change in the trend. So let's play this out. Let's see it how it goes, and see if we can make some profitable trades. All right, so we'll just let the market play a little bit. Bring it back down a little bit. Okay, so it's kind of in there at the moment. Okay, so you can see it just broke that structure. It's broken up here, which is my resistance level. And so I think this was this is the original area of resistance. It broke from here to here. And so I now need to change this. So if we can now, let's move this up a little bit. We can now mark down that this was where it broke. All right, let me see if I can configure this, make it a bit thicker. I'll make it very dotted, and let's say this color. Okay, so we can say, oh, maybe not red. Orange? Yeah, okay, orange is good. Okay, so we can see that it broke here. It broke that structure. So we can move this up. So that's our new resistance line. And so between here and here, the lowest point is here. So we'll move our support line down here as far as I'm aware. I believe that to be true. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so it's broken that line again a little bit. I'm not going to mark that down yet. See, it's playing with that. Okay, so it's like broken that previous high. Okay, I think that's supposed to indicate. Okay, so it's broken here now. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is hard to read. Okay, so between here, wait, where was my top? It was supposed to be here, right? Okay, between here and here, it has broken here. So let me mark this down. Let me copy that, and this is where it broke. Okay, good to know. So I can now move this down here. Wait. So between here and here, so the highest point is there. Between here and here, and that's the lowest point. So where's that change of character? I guess if it breaks that's a change of character. So now it's in change of character. Does that mean I'm supposed to put in a trade? Let's see. Okay, if it breaks this line again, let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so it broke it again. I feel as though we need to wait for the next candlestick. Okay, it's broken. So let me put it in a short trade.
Market executed.
Let me put it above. What's this? 53 pounds. Okay, I'll put it above that recent high, well, low. And I don't know, 1-to-1 ratio. So aimed for what? The same? Was that 53 pounds roughly? Yeah. Yeah, okay. That'll be my take profit. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. It's still trending down, which is good. This is what we want to see. Trending down, trending down, trending down. Nope. Oh,
Buy limit executed.
there we go.
Exit with gains.
Okay. So we made what? 66. I thought I put down 50 quid. Okay. Well, 66 pounds up. All right, that's pretty good for the first trade. Okay, so now I forgot to move these, didn't I? Okay, so I'm assuming now between, wait, it broke here. So if it broke here, between here and here, that's the high. So the highest is here. That's the high point. The lowest seems to be here where I TP'd out. And because I didn't make any more lines, I have no idea. So this will be our change of character. So if it breaks this, I'm assuming this is a reversal and it's going back into the opposite direction. But if it only comes up to here, it will likely fall back down. So let's see if it crosses over. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. It's really going for it. Oh, wow. Okay. Massive drop. Massive drop. Let me mark that down. Okay. So copy this line. Where was it? Between here and here, right? This is where it broke. So between there and there, this is the highest point, and down here is. So I guess if it continues to break on the next candlestick, we can continue shorting. But if it starts to see a bit of a reversal, I guess we need to wait a little bit and see. Oof, look at that. All right. Okay, it's still it's breaking. Okay, so I think we can go in with another short sell because it's broken that again.
Executed.
I'm gonna go quite random again, maybe 50 quid. Let's see what happens. Push it. Oh, I have no strategy for TP and stop losses at the moment. I guess I'll cover that on another video. But as far as I'm learned, yeah, it's not looking too bad, I think. Am I supposed to do something here? So it's broken this line. That was the last break. So 1, 2. So this is still the highest high, right? Yes. I don't know. And then what? This is the new lowest low, but I want it to break there. Let's see how the trade plays out. Oh, 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 oh! It hit it.
Executed.
Okay.
Exit with gains.
Exit with gains. We actually did it. Okay, cool. This is sort of working. To be honest, I think it's a bit of luck. Okay, so it's broken here. So between the highest point and the lowest point. No, wait, what? It broke here from. I did not mark this very well, did I? I'm just gonna mark that down, that it broke there. This is the new low point, and between here and here, the new highest point would be here, right? So, okay, cool, I think. All right. Although to be honest, like from historical experience, I feel as though when this goes, there's gonna be a massive reversal. But let's see. All right, it broke that old previous low. Cool. It still doesn't know what to do. It doesn't know what to do. It doesn't know where it's going. Okay, it's broken it. Okay, cool. So between here and here, between here and here, the lowest point. Oh no, wait. Where did it break? I did not mark this out very well, did I? So I think it broke between these two sticks, these two candlesticks, right? These two. So the highest point here is this one, and the lowest point is here. All right, let's see if it breaks. Oh, okay, we're seeing an uptrend. Okay. See, hopefully a reversal. Oh, okay, so it broke. I don't know whether to count this though. I'm not sure. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, I think I'm counting it. I have to count it. I think that's another short sell. That's another short sell. All right, it's broken it again.
Market executed.
I think I'm gonna put the TP a little bit closer though. I think 40 pounds. I think it's good, and I'll put it 66. Ooh, that's a bit high. Okay, I'll just do 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Wait, what am I doing? That's not 1-to-1. Ah, close enough. There we go. Ooh, let's see if it continues in the downside. Supposed to mark that out, wasn't I?
Buy
Oh,
stop executed.
I got stopped out.
Exit with loss.
Oh, I got stopped out. I got stopped out there. Okay, what has happened? Um, this is the higher high, so it broke that high. So it's supposedly supposed to be in a reversal. So it's supposed to be going back up, according to this strategy. Um, okay, so because I didn't break, so let me just copy this line. So between, okay, between here and here, right? That's where it broke. Okay, we mark that out. I'm gonna put that as the new, so between here and here, and then this is the new low, the new resistance, support. All right, let's see how it plays out. Yeah, it's going to, is it going to break that again? Is it going to break into the uptrend? No. Oh, yeah, okay, a little bit, a little bit. You know, to be fair, from one of my previous videos, you know, I shouldn't really do this, but apparently that is a bullish, if you're looking at price action candlestick patterns, that this is a bullish momentum. It has broken our top layer, our top resistance. I'm gonna go in with a buy, and
Buy at market executed.
let's see. Oh,
Sell stop executed. Sell stop executed. Buy limit executed.
wait, what's going on? Hey,
Buy at market executed.
why is this? What's going on with this? Requires one.
Buy limit executed.
It won't let me put in a trade.
Buy stop executed.
Why won't this let me put in a trade?
Executed.
Do the 50 pip things. What's wrong with this platform? I want to buy, yes. Ah,
Buy
okay, here we go.
Executed.
Can I adjust it? I can, yes. Okay, here we go. All right, so let me try and put in that trade. I can already see it's going down. It's a bit of a bad idea. But, okay, so it's broken that. And I'm kind of going off of another strategy a little bit here at the same time. So we'll do 50-50. Let's see what happens. Let's put that in. Oh, here we go. Ah, it's going into the downtrend. It's kind of playing with that line though. You know, it's supposed to be a change of character line, so it's supposed to be going up into the. Oh, there we go.
Limit executed.
All right, we got it.
Exit with gains.
Okay, so kind of like it dabbled back in and then shot back up. So it has now crossed over to this. Oh no, not configure. Let me copy. So between here and here, right? That's where we were. That's where it broke. So between here and here, the lowest point is here. So this is our new change of character line. And then this is our, oh, I think we need to wait for another candlestick to kind of pull back in before we can make that our new resistance line. But let's see how far we go. Gotta wait for that next candle. Okay, it's just on a bullish momentum right now. Okay. I don't know, I'll put it there for the time being, so I'm not gonna mark that down. Okay, it's just going up, isn't it? I'm gonna put in a trade.
Buy at market executed.
I'm gonna try and target a big one. Let's go for much higher. Like I said, I don't really have much of a strategy here for TP and stop losses. Put it down here below, so it's kind of like 82 to 88, almost a 1-to-1 ratio. I think it might hit. I mean, it's already gone past one of our old resistance support zones. Let's see how this plays out. Hopefully we're gonna continue in the uptrend. Nope, not working. Nope, yep, that's what happens when I put in a trade. I lose it. Yep.
Sell stop executed.
Ah.
Exit with loss.
Oh, that's upsetting. That is upsetting. Okay. All right. I made a mistake there. Clearly. Okay. I think that is still within the confines. I want to say that's the new resistance here is still the support. Change of character. I still don't understand the change of character. I guess change of character is just when it goes past the resistance or the support. I might be wrong. I'm fairly certain someone out there is gonna be like, yeah, Fred, you got it completely wrong. So it's okay. It's a learning curve. It's a learning curve. All right, let's try and put in one more trade and call it a day on this strategy. Let's see. Come on, break a structure. Oh, it's breaking down into the downtrend. Going into the down. Oh no, no, it's just playing around there. Okay, yep. Well, it kind of broke a little bit down here. Let's see if it continues. Broke again. It's jumping back up now. I might have put that resistance a little bit too high, but I need some confirmation here. Yeah, I'm just sticking with it. Okay, 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 okay. Now we're breaking. Okay, we're breaking. I'm not sure if it's gonna go up. Well, we can maybe target for it. So it's broken that. Let's say I copy this line, put this here. Okay, so that's where it broke. So the lowest point is still here. So okay, well, very close. That's where it broke that structure. So it's now in a break of structure into the uptrend. I think it's time to do
Buy-it
our
market
trade.
executed.
So let's see if we can try and target, I don't know, 65 pounds. Let's see what happens. And oh, I'll be a little bit tighter here. Oh no, that's not tight at all. 93-pound loss if I get this wrong. Okay, 85. I don't have any clear logic here. You can kind of see the take profit and the stop loss. Woo, it's pretty hefty. Let's give it a try. Let's aim for 70 quid. Let's see what happens. This is where the greed comes in. Oh,
Sell
okay.
stop
I have
executed.
no idea how that just happened.
Exit with loss.
That was incredibly fast. Okay, I was completely wrong with that. You know, it broke that structure. I thought it was gonna go back into the uptrend. It didn't. You can kind of see here, I actually hit this area here. Yeah, it's well that's where we are with break of structure and change of character. To be honest, I don't think I was playing it out very well. I mean, it is I have seen people use this strategy often, and they've found a lot of success. I think I was reading somewhere that it was a 60 or 70% success rate. You know, I just guess I just need to study it a little bit more now. I'm sure I'll do that in a future video. So from where we started from here was that 1st of February, yep, 2023 to our last one, which is the 14th of February 20. So in 2 weeks, and I'm down by what 104 pounds or 104 euros or 104 dollars, whatever. I'm down by 104. So you know, yeah, 2 weeks down by 100. It's not that great, I must admit. But like I said, I think I need to refine this strategy a little bit more and redo it. Alright guys, so there it is, doing the break of structure and change of character strategy on Forex trading. As you saw, yeah, I think my accuracy was a little bit off, but that's the point. That's why I'm doing this, is to refine those skills, study more, and try and lock in a more profitable trade. So it's okay. Follow me into my next videos as I explore other Forex trading strategies and put them to the test by backtesting them and trying to take parts of different strategies and try and combine them into one highly profitable trading strategy. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.